Huh? Yes, this is Tobias from Hello World Baked Goods. How can I help you?
Hello? I'm having a party today and I'm gonna need 200 gluten-free pepperoni cookies and 100 seaweed brownies. Do you think I can get those today?
Not a problem. At Hello World Baked Goods, we always put the customer first. Come by this afternoon and we'll have your order ready.
Huh? What's going on? This better be good. I have important things to do.
We just got a big order in. We need to bake 1,000 vegan-free pineapple cookies and 500 sea breeze brownies by the end of the day.
We have to what?
I said we have to make 1,500 vegan-free banana cookies and 5,000 sea cheese brownies.
I don't even know how to make regular cookies, let alone vegan-free banana and sea cheese brownies.
Well, the bank said they're taking the store from us if we don't actually start making and selling cookies.
Aw man, I actually like getting paid to not do anything. All done. Here we go.
But we needed carb-free banana cookies and green peas brownies.
Oh yeah. What do we do? There's gotta be a few thousand of these.
Okay, calm down. I just need to think of something before the bank takes away my bakery. No problem. Just think. Maybe I could burn the store down and get insurance money. No, I don't want to get arrested. I know. We could use a function to turn all the cookies and brownies into what they needed to be. Let me show you. You see, Python has something called functions. You could think of functions as instructions packaged neatly to perform a certain task. You could write them to do as many things like print hello world 100 times, or give the functions two numbers and add them up. The possibilities are endless. To show you what a function looks like and how to create them, we start by saying def. This lets Python know that you're creating a function. Now name your function. You can name your functions anything you want as long as it is not keyboard like if, false, for, and while. You know, like the stuff that Python has reserved for itself. It's good practice to make the function name something related to what it's going to do or calculate. So when someone else reads your code, they know what it's doing with less effort. Now, we have to add the parentheses and colon behind the name of the function. Finally, you're going to write your code here for what you want it to do. Don't forget about the indentions. Once you stop indenting, you are telling Python that the end of your function is where you last indented. To call or to use your function, you simply type the name of the function plus the parentheses. Let's take a look at a working example. Notice the def? That should tell you that this is the creation of a function.
Def means you're making a function. Gotcha.
Now after def, you see the function name, which is print hello world, followed by a colon. Under, you will see a line of indented code that we recognize. We are printing hello world. Now if you call print hello world, you will see that it prints hello world.
That's not too bad.
I'm going to show you one more example before I tell you my plan. Notice here we have the def part and also the name of the function, which is add. But this time, between the parentheses, we have number 1 and number 2. We are basically saying in this function that we need number 1 and number 2 for this function to do stuff. This is known as a parameter of the function. So in other words, we need values for number 1 and number 2 to use this function. Also, this time we have the keyword return. This basically means when you use your function, you are going to return this back. So if we make number 1 and number 2 into the value 2, this function will return to 4. We make a variable called total to be the number the add function returns to us, and then print total. We get 4 back.
Okay, I got it. So about the cookies?
Right, so my plan is to make a function that will take a batch of our cookies and brownies and then turn them into what we need. We have an array of our cookies called batch of cookies. We could think of it as a baking sheet of cookies. Now we can make our function. We use def to make the function cookie changer. Our parameter will take a batch, which in our case is a baking sheet of cookies. For every cookie on the baking sheet, turn it into a banana cookie. Finally, print the new batch. And just like that, we turn the batch into banana cookies.
So basically, we're putting the array of cookies into the function, which is like an oven, and the function will do everything for us?
Exactly. Now start putting those batches into the functions. I'm gonna handle some paperwork in the office.